This is the lift at TK Maxx at a retail park in Dundee, next to Olympia. Otis Gen 2 built in 2004. It's a nice Gen 2. Although that looks like it had a massive gap upon opening. Let's see. No, I didn't really. Okay. Go back down to ground. Ground, and that's it. This is the lift at Marks and Spencer's at the next to the retail park next to Olympia.
Doors closing.
In Dundee. And it is an Otis Gen 2 Life. Don't get fooled by the indicator, it is an Otis Gen 2
First
Life.
floor.
I think it was
Doors opening.
built in 2024, I think.
Doors closing.
I think the auto dyno is already going funny as well.
Ground floor. Doors opening. Doors closing.
Yeah, the auto dyno is making a funny sound.
First floor. Doors opening. Doors closing.
See if we got any recall on this. Yes, there is recall.
First floor.
And that's it.
Doors opening.
This is the lift in Olympia, in Dundee, near retail park. Oh wow. It's a monospace, the new style, built in 2012. MX-06 motor. And that's a useless button, I don't know why they got that. It's a nice monospace. You're on ground. We got ground, and that's it.
Doors closed. Doors open. Doors closed.
This is a lift at Olympia car park in Dundee. It's a 1.6 metre a second monospace built in 2012, and it is very fast given that it is a car park.
13th floor. Doors open.
A tiny bit of pre-door.
Going down. Doors closed.
This is a very nice monospace. Can I have an MX-20L or an MX-1016 motor? Thanks.
Doors open. Going up. Doors closed.
Yeah, 13.
Doors open.
I'm going to go down 12 and 1.
Going down. First floor.
12.
Doors
Show you half
open.
floor distance.
Going down. Doors closed. First floor.
1. And that's it.
Doors open.
This is the main lift at Olympia car park in Dundee.
Up.
13.
Doors closed.
It's another monospace. Goes 1.6 metre a second.
Second.
13.
Doors open. Going down.
This is fairly similar to the other monospace. I think we're going to do one ride on this.
Round.
Got ground. It's also quite busy.
Doors open.
And that's it.
Doors closing. Lift going up.
This is the lift at Gellatly Street car park in Dundee. They used to be older lifts, but they were replaced in 2023 by Caltech lifts.
8th floor.
They're quite cheap. They're cheap MRLs.
Doors open.
They've got Dewhurst.
Doors closing. Lift going down.
But I guess they're all right. Just not that interesting.
Ground floor.
Ground. And that's it.
Doors opening.
Oh wow, that was a really short door timer. Holiday Inn Express in Dundee City Centre. It's a monospace built 2008. 8 persons, 600 kilos, MX6 motor. We got 4. Get some really good views from here. Ground. And that's it. This is the lift at the Tay Road Bridge in Dundee. Stupid music in the lift. I'll have to try and talk over it. It used to be an E&C lift. It's been modernised, replaced by Caltech in 2018. It's got glass doors. Got 1. It's a hydraulic lift. That's Ken's car. We are at ground floor. And that's it. This is the lift at the V&A, the glass lift at the V&A Museum in Dundee. And it is an Arona 3G. And it's very busy. Arona 3G built 2017. 21 persons, 1600 kilos. MRL and 1 metre a second. 2, so don't go to 1. And that's it. It's the long glass lift at the V&A Museum in Dundee. I think 3's staff only. So we won't go there. Or is it?
Lift going down.
It is probably. Round. Also got 2017.
Main floor.
I believe it's locked off.
Introduce the access code.
Cool. Nice message.
Doors closing.
Alright, just make sure you enter the code.
End of code introduction period. Lift going up.
Not heard that in the new voice.
Second floor.
2.
Doors closing. Introduce the access code. Lift going down. End of code introduction period. Main floor.
Ground.
Doors closing. Lift going up.
Finish it on 2. Two.
Second floor.
And that's it. This is the lift at Dundee Station. We go up to the street. Train station Stanner. Not sure when it was built. Street level. And that's it. Number 2. This is the lifts at the 4 Points Flex Hotel next to Dundee Station in Dundee. Got the 2, that's where the reception is. 2. One space is built in 2017. Down to ground. It's 1 metre a second on a space. Ground. And that's it. This is the lift Premier Inn in Dundee city centre. It's a Schindler 3300 built in 2017.
Floor 1.
It's an exact replica.
1.
Exact replica of. It's an exact replica of Premier Inn Letchworth. So there's 2 lifts.
Floor 3. Floor 3.
This one's actually similar to Premier Inn in Hitchin. Run out the ground and then rend it.
Floor 0.
And that's it. This is the lift for the Seabrae Bridge in Dundee near Tesco's. It's an IMEM lift. Go down.
Lift going down.
It's a Stana IMEM lift.
Street level.
13 persons, 1,000 kilos.
Doors closing.
Not sure when it was built. Although it has a bit of a chassis.
Doors closing. Doors closing. Doors closing. Doors closing. Doors closing. Doors closing.
Wow, this is taking ages.
Doors closing.
Right. That'll do something.
Doors closing.
There we go.
Lift going up.
Bridge.
Doors opening.
And that's it. This is the lifts at the Greenmarket multi-storey car park in Dundee, up to 9. The ThyssenKrupp Universe lifts, built in 2006. 1 metre a second.
Level 9.
We're at floor 9. I don't know, are these ThyssenKrupp posh range or are these like Dewhurst buttons?
Level 1.
Floor 1. Go to 2 and 9 to get a half floor trip.
Level 2.
That's an orange. Finish on 9.
Level 9.
Floor 9. And that's it. And now we're on to the Overgate Shopping Centre. And here is my very bad map of the place. I trialled using Microsoft Copilot to help me make this map, but it was completely shit. For example, when I told it to remove or change something specific, it did execute it, but then it changed something else and it made the map look completely So in the end, I just made it from scratch. So thank you, Microsoft Copilot, for wasting 2 hours of my life. Thank you very f***ing much, you piece of This is one of the entrance lifts from the street at Overgate Shopping Centre in Dundee. Up to 4. This also serves car park too. It is an Otis 2000 VF lift, built in 1999, maintained by Jackson. Oh, it's quite efficient, a bit of pre-door as well. This is a nice lift. I don't know, this is a very nice lift. Goes 1 metre a second. 0. Ground. Ground, and that's it. It's the lift between the mall levels at the Overgate Shopping Centre in Dundee. It is another Otis 2000 VF lift. I'm guessing it was built in 1999 like the others. I'm sure. Located next to Frasers. Gap in the doors. Really good motor sound this. It's really nice. That button's been replaced with a handle resistant button. Two, and that's it. Yeah, this would be the lift at Frasers in Dundee. It is. They haven't modernised it. It's still an Otis 2000 lift from when it was Debenhams, but sadly it's out of order, so we can't ride it. I think that's the indicator replaced up there. Located the lift. It is out of order. It's over on the floor a bit, and it is an Otis 2000 VF lift built in 1999, and its buttons inside are actually original. What a shame. And that's it.
closing.
This is the lift at the main car park at the Overgate Shopping Centre in Dundee. Otis 2000 VF lift, built in 1999. It's also very nice.
Seventh floor.
7.
Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing.
I think the capacity is 21 persons, 1,600 kilos, but I'm not sure. This is the best lift in the entire centre. Actually no, I think the one between Round 1's better than this. It's a bit slow.
First floor.
First floor.
Doors opening.
7.
Going up.
Well, that was took a while to
Doors
press.
closing.
Tracks on this are quite dry.
Seventh floor.
7.
Doors opening.
Down to 1. The animation delay is actually quite interesting. That's fully closed now.
First floor.
First. And that's it.
Doors opening.
It's the lift at New Look in Dundee, Overgate Shopping Centre. That's got sharp lights on, I think. It's a knackered monospace, built in 2007. It's quite a very slow monospace as well. Two plunks. Does it got sharp lights on? Yes, it does. Two 2007. It's a slow monospace. It has an MX-06 motor. Look up the shaft. Oh no! Is it? No, yeah, it is a monospace. Thought for a second it was a power disc, but no, it's not. Up to 1 and end it. And that's it. The lifts at Primark in Dundee. This one's actually a service lift, I've just found out. I got two service lifts, only one passenger lift. Now I imagine this one's going to be quite busy. Here it is.
Please mind the doors.
Now this is quite a very small lift for a Primark store. 13 persons, 1,000 kilos. So it's ThyssenKrupp with Lift Technic voice. Not sure what control with though. It's a hydraulic.
Floor 1.
Voice is very loud.
Doors are opening. Lift going down. Please mind the doors.
So instantly on the way down. Door close button does work.
Ground floor.
Ground floor. And that's it.
Doors are opening.
This is the lift at Boots in Dundee Overgate Centre. Down to ground.
Lift going down.
Used to be, I think, an older lift, but it's been modernised by Schindler, and it's been modernised again by Pickering's.
First floor. Lift going down.
This lift won't shut up, honestly. Number 2.
Lift going up.
Yes, Schindler modernised Pickering's 2022, and it is really annoying, the voice. Luckily it's got Dewhurst though. Slow. Yeah, 2. And that's it. Can't stand this lift anymore. This is the lift at Slaters in Dundee. To 1. Massive gap. Doors. It's a monospace built in 2005. At 1. This is the main lift at the Wellgate Shopping Centre in Dundee. Glass monospace, built 2005, 10 persons, 800 kilos. At 3. And it's had the floor buttons replaced. Counter. It could be this side. Actually, no, it's not. It's the other side. Three. And there's the motor up there. And that's it. These are the main car park lifts at the Wellgate Shopping Centre in Dundee. These are Schindlers. Okay. These used to be Schindler Iconics, but they've been heavily modernised by Schindler themselves with new Iconic MXGC. That's a rare announcement. Not sure when it was done. Got some announcement too. Full direct floor levelling. This door doesn't like to shut properly. On yeah, this door doesn't like to shut properly. Yeah, pre-start. This is an epic lift. Pre-start, direct floor levelling, and yeah, I think just direct floor levelling, not pre-door though. Shopping, and that's it. Other car park lift at the Wellgate Shopping Centre in Dundee, and they've been MRL'd. It used to be a Schindler Iconic, but it's been MRL'd, and it's now a new Schindler. Oh no, this one's actually been fully replaced. This one's now a Schindler 3300, I think. Yeah, this one's a Schindler 3300. The other one just got heavy mod, this one's been fully replaced.
Shopping level.
Placed in 2018, so I'm guessing that's when the other ones were modernised.
Floor 6.
Shopping level.
Shops.
Floor 6.
Car park 6, and that's it. This is the lift at Dundee Library. Remote room's here. It's a hydraulic.
Doors closing. Lift going up.
This lift used to be a Schindler Iconic hydraulic. It has been modernised by Schindler with Hydroair.
Second floor. Doors opening.
It's got Hydroair, got intelligent levelling and free door.
Doors closing. Lift going down.
And it is nice. Except from the DMG.
Floor 0. Doors opening.
Yeah, that's a really good efficiency.
Doors closing. Lift going up.
Phone box here. Just opens like that, and there's no phone in there.
Second floor. Doors opening.
That's it. Before this video ends, I would like to say a huge thank you to everyone for your support. Whether you have subscribed or just watched one of my videos, you have helped this channel reach this milestone, and I'm very grateful for that. So thank you very much to all. Also, I'm sorry for this special being so late. Life's been in the way. I would also like to say thank you to those of you who've watched the whole video.